Microsoft has warned of a new type of data stealing Java-based ransomware known as Ponyfinal. Ponyfinal is human-operated ransomware to distinguish it from a normal variant that are distributed in an automated way by hackers. First stage involves access to targeted organization via brute force attack against the system management server. In certain cases, the attackers deploy Java runtime environment, which the Java-based Ponyfinal ransomware needs to run. However, evidence suggests that attackers use information stolen from the system management server to target endpoints with JRE already installed. And if organizations already have JRE on their system, they may be blind to any attack. This ransomware is delivered through a MSI file that contains batch files and ransomware payload. Now this batch file creates a scheduled task named Java Updater and calls runtask.bat, which runs the payload ponyfinal.jar. Ponyfinal encrypts file at specific date and time, just like human-operated ransomware, and then the payload is deployed. Organizations should ensure their internet-facing assets are up to date with patches, especially VPNs and other remote accesses infrastructure, and conducting regular audits of misconfiguration and vulnerabilities. For Ponyfinal in particular, it is recommended to scan for brute force activity. Now, these are some of the screenshots of actual attacks of ransomware files. Now, files are encrypted, an extension of file COPM, and it's the abbreviation of ransomware virus, and it's asking for the ransom. Thanks for watching.